Hi, this is Taylor Adams with Rentals in SF, and I'm the listing agent for this property. I've prepared a detailed video tour for you to take a look at that I think you'll find helpful. Before booking an appointment, please also remember to review the key terms on our website. Please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help, and you'll see all new listings pop up here first. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the Haight Ashbury, and more importantly, Upper Haight near the Panhandle and Golden Gate Park. Absolutely fabulous location. People absolutely love it here. Very walkable and lots to see and do, even if you're not going to the big, beautiful, amazing Golden Gate Park. Okay, there is a Whole Foods super close nearby. Lots of food and drink, coffee, vintage shopping, tons to do on Haight Street. Definitely will get your foodie fix. And then Cole Valley, everybody loves Cole Valley, especially Zazie and Pizza Coffee. And there's also a hardware store for convenience. There's also another hardware store on Haight. Okay, 618 Cole right here. Beautiful bump out right there. Middle of the building right there. And let's take a look at the street. Swivel around. Of course, there's a famous Jerry Garcia mural right there at the corner of Haight and Cole. That's Cole Valley up that way. Sutro Tower in the distance. Brand new fresh paint on the building. New owner making lots of improvements. Really putting some money back into the building. Pretty fantastic, right? Okay, well, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our website for all up-to-date information on this listing and many, many more. Please smash the like button, and I wish you all the success in your home search. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.